From the start, slide number 1, 2, 3, Alright, here we go. Fire and Rain, James Taylor. Middle finger of the left hand on the 3rd string, 4th fret. And what we're going to do is pluck the A string and the 3rd string, 5th string and the 3rd string. And as we do that, we are going to slide that 3rd string finger, which is the middle finger, from the 4th fret to the 6th fret. And we get that sound. Now that's your pinch with the 0-4-6. Now, if you'll notice in the next number 2 box, you will see a 0-6-4, so it's backwards. So we're going to hit the 6th string, pinch the 6th string and the 3rd string. So my right hand is pinching 6 and 3. So here's the first one with 5th string and 3. And in box number 2, the 6th string and 3. Okay, that's that little piece of technique. And you'll notice in the first box, number 1, F5, 5, 6. That's like an F chord in the 5th fret, like that. F chord in the 5th fret, but you don't need this finger. So you're just going to go with your right hand, ring finger, middle finger, and 1st finger on the bottom 3 strings. Now in box number 3, we pluck the 4th string open. We pull all 3 strings with the middle finger off, and that gives us a 0, 3, 2. And then we hammer on the middle finger. So it's thumb on 4, and then pull fingers, your right hand fingers, index, middle, and ring on the bottom 3 strings. And you'll notice in box number 3, after you do that, you pluck again with the middle finger off, and then with it on again. So if I put that with the first part, it sounds like this. If I put that together with the 1st and 2nd box, it'll sound like this. That's what we have so far. Now we're in box number 4. It's an A chord, and our right hand position stays the same. Thumb goes to 5th string this time, bottom 3 fingers. First 3 fingers, index, right hand, middle, and ring go to the bottom 3 strings. So when you play an A chord, now you'll notice that it says 0, 0, 2. With a hammer on 0, 2 on the 2nd string. So what we're going to do is play that A chord, and we're going to take this finger off and hammer it on. When we pull the bottom 3 strings, it sounds like this. Hammer on. So the 0 before that little A chord and hammer on sounds like this. Very James Taylorish. now what we're trying to do is get this. Do that again. So we'll play the whole thing so far. So here's the A shape again, open, hammer on, pluck the bottom three, A string, put the pinky in on the 3rd fret of the 2nd string, take it off, pull down on that 2nd finger, like that, hit the A string again, pluck and hammer on. Then in box number 5 you have which is 0, 2, 2. Then an E major chord. Then I'll do that again. Then box number 6 you have. Now here's what we're doing here. Here's what we're doing here in the G chord for box number 6. Put your G chord in that fancy G where you have your ring finger on the 3rd fret of the 2nd string. Now watch my right hand. We're going to go thumb, top string, then thumb jumps to 4, 3, 2. Now, after you do that, start on the 4th string and go 4, 3, 2, 1 on number 7. Here's number 6 again. Then this hand is going to change to G at the top. Keep your ring finger in the 2nd string, 3rd fret, index finger down to the bottom. So it kind of sounds it's a G major 7th chord. And a right hand is going to go 4, 3, 2, 1. That's number 7 on your sheet. Actually, everything you do in number 7 keeps this in place. So you follow your tab, you have 0, 0, 3, 2, 0, 2, 0, 0, 0, 3, 0. Here's number 6 and 7 together. Okay, from the start, slide number 1, 2, 3, 1 more time. One more time, a little quicker. And that's the opening to Fire and Rain.